and Leslie here, and I'm going to do one wall of Cowboy Up, and then I'm going to do the teach. We start with 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, heel, heel, back, 2, 3, stomp, stomp. Slide together, side, slide together, side. Double hip to the right, double hip to the left, 4 singles, 2, 3, 4, and grapevine to the right with a scuff, grapevine to the left with a scuff. All right, so this is Cowboy Up. This is a beginner dance, 32 counts for walls. Introduction, 16 counts. The choreographer is Hile, and the music is by Johnston. So we're going to start with 3 walks forward, right leg starting. 1, 2, 3, a double heel and 4. We're going to go back to the left foot. 3, 2, 1, stamp, stamp. Then we're going to slide together, side, tap, slide together, side, tap. From the top, 3 walks forward, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide together, slide, tap, slide together, slide, tap. Gosh, you're halfway through the dance. Let's do 2 counts. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, going on. The next set of counts, we're going to, and we just tapped in that left leg, we're going to put it diagonally back and do a double hip. And then forward, we're going to do a double hip. And then we're going to do 4 singles, right, left, right, left. Reviewing that. We are going to take the right leg diagonally back, double hip to the right, double hip to the left, 4 singles, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hint, when you do your hips, bend your knees. From the top, 5, 6, 7, walk it. 1, 2, 3, take it back, 2, 3, it's side together, side, and side together, side. It's a double hip right and a double hip left. A single, 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 single. Yes, don't forget you can stop, pause, slow down the video. All right, the last set of 8. Grapevine to the right, step right behind, right to the side, scuff, and then step left behind, quarter turn, and scuff. You can tap those in at the end of the grapevines if you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the dance. I personally like to scuff them. All right, count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, take it forward. 1, 2, 3, and back. 2, 3, slide together, side, slide together, side. Double hip to the back, double hip to the front. Single, 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 single. Grapevine to the right, and a grapevine quarter turn. All right, let's do wall number 2. Forward. Walk, 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 heel, heel. Or you can do double stamp and slide together, side, and slide together, side. Double hip and double hip. Take it 4, 3, 2, 1, and grapevine to the right with a scuff or with a tap, it's okay. Forward, 2, 3, heel, heel, or double stamp, take it back. Slide together, side, slide together, side. I like to tap there. Double hip, a single, 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 grapevine to the right with a scuff, grapevine quarter, turn with a scuff. Ready for our last wall, forward. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Slide together, slide, I like to tap. Slide together, side. Bend your knees on the hips and a double forward, back and front, come back and front. Take a grapevine to the right and a grapevine quarter turn. That's it, we went all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to do the demo with the music. So please look for it. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll see all my videos in the same place. This is Cowboy Up. the teach. I'm going to do Cowboy Up, the demo, right now. All right,